Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a very busy weekend, as you see. Tonight we're actually going to try something we've never tried before using our Insignia 5-quart air fryer. And that is to cook some good old-fashioned Canadian bacon, applewood smoke flavor, the Old Mel brand, which is which is one of the better brands here in Canada. Good old-fashioned Canadian bacon in the air fryer, never done before. Stick around and see how it turns out. Alright, so let's start by putting some bacon in the air fryer.
Can we get a whole pack in? I don't know.
It's all gonna shrink, so yeah, because I don't think that's a full pound of bacon.
No.
So it's what, how many pieces? 12 pieces?
Probably.
It's getting pretty full, but it's gonna it'll shrink up. We're not gonna cook it too much that it's gonna be super crispy either, because I actually want to put some of this on a pizza. So.
All right.
But we could try to leave some in. No, we could try to keep some in. That's going to be super crispy, and others that's just going to be, that you can tear apart.
How it all works out.
We don't want to lose any teeth biting into this bacon.
Rip up our gums.
Yeah, look at this. We're packing it up just like you're making a bacon cake here. Look at this. Go. The 5-quart holds a lot of bacon. So how much is that? How much?
375 grams.
There you go. So into the air fryer.
Magic number.
What's the magic number for the air fryer?
400.
400 cooks everything. And we're going to put it for 10 minutes. And we're going to check it in about 5 minutes.
And if you were questioning at what temperature.
Yeah, well, it actually tells you. It tells you it up on top.
400.
All right, so we'll see you guys in about 5 minutes. Wish us luck. We don't want the house to burn down. A lot of grease and bacon. But it all should fall down in the tray, so. See you in a bit. All right, we're 6 minutes in. Let's check it out. Looking good, but not done, obviously. I think maybe let's move it around a little bit. If you can get a fork, please. Make sure it doesn't all stick together. It says 6 to 10 minutes for bacon. So obviously 6 minutes is not enough. Because no one is eating bacon.
Well, maybe for 4 strips.
True. We did overload it. And we're going to keep a couple in after to cook to get it extra crispy. Okay. All right. Let's put it back in. Yeah, let's put it for 5 more minutes, and then we'll see how she looks. So we have 2 minutes left. Let's just take a look. We don't want it to burn. Oh, that bacon's looking nice.
Smells good.
It smells good. All the fat is going in the tray, which is the way it should be. Look at this. Food porn. Oh yeah. Gonna put it a little bit longer, but I don't want to burn it. Like I said, I have plans for it. So let's give it another 3 minutes. All right, we're at 1 minute. Let's take a look. Oh, it smells so good. And look at the grease at the bottom. It's full of grease. But it's healthier because you're actually not eating that grease. It's all falling down. But the bacon looks delicious. We're going to take some pieces out because we don't want them all crispy. And we're going to leave in like 2 pieces, 3 pieces. And then we'll put it back in for 2 more minutes. See how crispy it gets. Yeah.
Come here, you.
Although I should have taken a picture while I was in there. But should I do? All right, this is what we're left with to test to see how crispy it gets. Again, look at all the grease at the bottom here. Look at it. It's like a pool of grease. It smells delicious. All right, let's put it back in. 3 more minutes, I think we'll do the job. All right, we're at 1 minute left.
Oh yeah,
Oh, it's crispy.
that's done.
So let's take them out. I'll let them sit, and then we'll see. We'll test the crunch. Oh, you got a big hand in my way.
Oh, sorry about that.
It's all right. If anybody's thirsty, all this oil or grease rather. Ta-da! Let's give it a rest first because it's still bubbling. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful.
Sizzle.
Mm.
Sizzle. Sizzle.
We're selling the sizzle, not the bacon right now. So let's let it sit for a few minutes and then we'll test the crunch factor. I'm not sure if we cooked it long enough that's going to be crunchy or not. I guess we'll see. To be cracked. Which one is going to be your victim?
All right, let's see.
Well, what do you crack it in half first with your hands?
Oh, let's see with the teeth.
Well, we could have cooked it more. But okay.
Oh yeah.
Look at this piece. It's going to be crispy. Anyway, so how's the air fryer bacon?
Really good.
Let me taste it.
You know what? We've been putting it off because I thought I was going to mess the air fryer, but
Not any messier than usual.
no, and
Really good.
I think I like it better in the air fryer.
And it has a smoky taste to it too. Really
I
good.
like it,
Really
guys.
good. All right, guys, you know what to do. Like, subscribe. See you guys later.